Hello YouTubers, Chicago PR Prepper here, and today we're going to do cold weather gear for your vehicle. Basically, if you get stranded somewhere on the roads, forest preserve, like back in 2011, Lakeshore Drive, I'm going to show a split screen of some of those situations that happen as to why you should have something in your vehicle. We're going to start with this poncho liner and a poncho. This very cheap, but yet it can probably save your life. Everybody knows what this is, especially if you're in the military. An old itchy wool blanket may save your life. Buy one of these for 24 bucks at Amazon or eBay, and or maybe even Walmart, and just toss it in the trunk. Keep it in the trunk. I have a bag here, which I keep a lot of my cold weather gear and other stuff here. So I'm not going to pull the stuff out. I'm just going to let you know what's in there. I got a bivy bag. I got a hammock because this is also my multi bag. So a lot of stuff here is basically used for cold weather gear, or camping, or summer and stuff like that. I have toe warmers, hand warmers. You get those at Walmart for $1 a piece. You could also, I have a little bivy bag. I got Mylar blankets because you never know how many people are going to be in your vehicle. Candle for in case you have no light. You could light something up also. Somewhat keep your vehicle warm. It's not going to keep it warm, but just enough to where hopefully you could somebody get to you, in time. I also have, I think I mentioned already, a poncho. Also, I have water purification systems in here. This bag, if these guys, you've seen these bags, they have it on Facebook, stuff like that. I bought it. I'll do a review on the bag itself. It's small enough, but yet big enough to keep all my gear in there. Also, it's very important to keep your gas tank at least half, minimum half in winter time, because you never know if you're going to get stuck. I also keep a streets and sands shovel. For those people that live in the city, you've seen those. They're about this wide, about this high, and it's aluminum, so strong enough to, if you got to dig your way out, you can dig your way out and it won't crack like those plastic shovels, those snow shovels that they got out there. Keep some salt, at least a gallon of salt, in case you get stuck. I could throw it down there and hopefully get yourself out of there. Water, it's very important to have water in your car because you never know. Some people say don't have water because of the plastic, but you know what? Times of emergency, I'm not thinking about that. So I do rotate my water out. I use it every day. I drink every day, so I rotate in, out, in, out, in, out. So I hope you find this information useful. Please like, please subscribe, and I appreciate you guys taking your time to check out my channel. Until next time, Chicago PR Prepper.